This Hofacker Associates Incorporated property video is presented by Neil Hartney. Put your finishing touches on this centrally located 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with pool. Split floor plan features a large master suite with a fireplace that opens to lanai and pool. Entertain your friends and prepare gourmet meals in a large kitchen that features a pass-through to the dining room. Cool off on those hot summer days in the pool that can be accessed by the master bedroom and the second bedroom. Corner lot features side driveway perfect to store your RV, boat or work trucks. Oversized garage features separate laundry room. No flood insurance required. Home is zoned for street. Peter High. For more information, review the details below or contact Neil Hartney at 727-527-7373.